15 trillion yen. What would you do with this money? Buy a car, 10 cars, 100 cars? Buy a house, 10 houses, 100 houses? Go overseas? Go to the moon? Go to Mars? Probably, we can't imagine how much money that is. However, one person in the world has this much money, and he is Amazon founder Jeff Bezos, who is the richest person in the world. Another very rich person is the richest person in Japan, Yusaku Maezawa from Zozo. He gave 100 million yen to 100 people. He always says, I wish all people can do what they want to do. Therefore, he gave this money to let people fulfill their dreams. Certainly, if we have a lot of money, we don't worry about our lives. However, in fact, about 700 million people live on less than 200 yen a day. Imagine you have to live 200 yen a day. Could you do that? When I was a high school student, I went on a school trip to Vietnam. I was excited as it was the first time for me to go to a foreign country. But I hadn't anticipated the truth about the situation in Vietnam. At first, when I arrived, I saw tall buildings and luxury hotels. There are also many motorcycles and buses. It was just like Tokyo, but underneath the surface, there was a different world. I went on a Mekong River cruise, and some local people were living along the riverbank. I could see they washed their clothes in the river, and probably they used the river water for cooking too. This contrast I saw in Vietnam between the rich and the poor was a big surprise for me. The theme of this speech contest is being a global citizen. And I bring up helping those people much poorer than ourselves is part of being a global citizen. I think very rich people like Yusaku Maezawa should help poor people. However, thinking from a different perspective, ordinary people like us are richer than those people who live on less than 200 yen a day, even if we think we are poor. Many people overseas cannot go to school and cannot have enough food. In contrast, we are so lucky. What can we do? How can we eliminate the gap between the rich and the poor? Now, NGOs like the Japan Overseas Cooperation Volunteers help developing countries. I think it's unrealistic for us as a student to participate since it's difficult. We can't give a lot of money like a company can, but we can help them. One thing we can do, for instance, is not throw away things which may help poor people. We put things in the rubbish which we don't use, such as clothes, toys, and textbooks. Before throwing these things away, please stop and think. This garbage costs a lot of money, especially things to study are very useful. Because if poor people can study and increase their knowledge, they can be independent. Furthermore, it enables them to obtain a better job. This prevents a negative poverty chain and decreases the difference between the rich and the poor. In addition, if we travel to developing countries like Vietnam, we can contribute to these countries because the local people can get jobs in the tourist industry. We may also find new ideas about how to help the local people by traveling too. These are just two simple actions we can take which help the poor, and we can do them right now. We often see the state of developing countries and just feel sorry about it. However, it's important not only to think, but also to act. If we act, we can help and be true global citizens. In conclusion, Jeff Bezos has 15 trillion yen. As far as every day, we can eat, study, and have a hot bath, and we take this for granted. However, there are also people in the world who live less than 200 yen a day. I can't believe this situation. As global citizens, we have to give a helping hand to poor people and help them to be as happy with their lives as we are with ours. Thank you.